Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the states of matter and how the matter can be classified into three types. So on what basis matter can be classified into solid, liquid, gas, and characteristics of solid, liquid and gases with examples. Okay. And also examples for solid, liquid, gas, and also arrangement of molecules in solid state and arrangement of molecules in liquid state and arrangement of molecules in gaseous state, and also so with example. Okay, before going to discuss states of matter and classification of matter into three types, so just we recall what we discussed in last class. So yeah, in last class we discussed about the properties of matter and also so what is the definition of matter based on the properties. Okay, so yeah, matter is a total sum of many particles. Matter is a total sum of many particles, and also the total number of particles in a matter so depends upon its weight. Okay, total number of particles in a matter depends upon its weight only. Okay, and also the material which occupies space and possesses mass is called matter. Here the properties of matter are matter occupies space and matter has mass. So these are the two properties of these are the two common properties of matter. So that's why so we define matter on the basis of their properties. The material which occupies space and possesses mass is called matter. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the states of matter. So depending upon the arrangement of molecules in matter, so different states of matter are recognized. Okay, states of matter. So depending upon the arrangement of molecules in a matter, so that matter can be classified into three types. So based on arrangement of molecules. So okay, into three types: solid, liquid, gas. So I will once again repeat it. So depending upon the arrangement of particles in a matter, so in a matter, and also so classification of matter into three types. They are solid, liquid and gas. Okay, here classification of matter, so based on the arrangement of particles. Then what is meant by particles? The smallest piece of matter is called particle. The smallest piece of matter is called particle. Okay, here one activity is there: fill up the following table using clues. Required to burn. So what is the required to burn? Firewood. So required to drink. Okay, so it is tap water. So okay, so next, required to breathe fresh air. So okay, to fill up these activity, so fill up these activity. So now let us see what we given below. Okay, so fill up the names of the matter filled above in the following table. First one, hard material required to burn. So that is a hard material, that's why so that is a firewood. So next, liquid, so which gets the shape of the container. So required to drink, so which gets shape of the container, that means tap water. Next, last one, so which cannot be held, so are invisible or spreads, can be experienced only. So it is invisible, so but we can feel it. So required to breathe. Okay, that means fresh air. So here activity 1, so that means required to burn firewood, required to drink tap water, so required to breathe fresh air. So you also write it in your book: firewood, tap water and fresh air. So in the activity, the space given below. So here activity 2 is there: So list out the materials that you know which are in the form of solid, liquid, gas. So example for solid: chalk, brick, jaggery, wood, pen. So all these are the example for solid state. So next, liquid. So water, juice, rasam, milky, lassi. So all these are the example for liquid state. So next, smoke, air, water vapor, etc. All these are the example for gaseous state. Okay. Think and group these material. So in the particular column, okay, think and group. So these material in the particular column. So buttermilk, candle, curd, kerosene, charcoal, honey, piece of brick, smoke. So here, so solid. So candle is a example for solid. Curd is also solid state. So piece of brick is also a solid state, and charcoal is also a solid state. So buttermilk is a liquid state, kerosene is a liquid state, honey is a liquid state, whereas smoke is a gaseous state. Okay. I will once again repeat it. So solid state: candle, curd, piece of brick are the example for solid state. Buttermilk, kerosene, honey are the example for liquid state. So, and also charcoal is example for solid state, and smoke is an example for gaseous state. Okay. Here matter is identified in its three forms. So they are solid, liquid, gas. So now let us discuss one by one in solid states. So in solid state, how the particles are arranged in a solid state. In solid state, particles are densely, so that means so closely and orderly arranged. So densely means closely packed. So example for solid state: stone, iron. So in liquid state. In liquid state, the particles are loosely arranged when compared to solids. So this is the particles are arranged in solid state. So this is particles are arranged in liquid state. Second one. So the particles in liquid state are arranged loosely when compared to solid state. Okay, example for liquid state: water, milk. Water, milk are the example for liquid state. So next, in gaseous state, the particles are rarely arranged. That means, so in gaseous state, the particles are loosely packed. Example for gaseous state: air and smoke are the example for gaseous state. So and water vapor also example for gaseous state. Okay. Matter is identified in its three forms: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Okay, matter exists in three states: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous states. So classification of matter based on the arrangement of particles. Okay, here particles means the smallest piece of matter are called particles. Okay, now in solid states, how the particles are arranged. So in solid state, particles are densely and orderly arranged. Okay, so example for solid state: stone, iron. In liquid state, how the particles are arranged means, so in liquid state the particles are loosely arranged when compared to solid states. So example for liquid state: water, milk. So this is a particles arranged in solid state. So this is a particles arranged in liquid state. So when compared to, okay, in gaseous state, the particles are rarely arranged or loosely packed. Example: air, smoke. See, the particles are arranged in gaseous state. So in next class we discuss more things. Thank you.